Hi, I am Dr. Sudha. I was always in search of permanent solution to healthy cooking utensils. AMC cookware gave me the solution for healthy cooking. AMC pots and pans are made up of long-lasting high-quality steel. It has high heat tolerance and non-porous. AMC cooking ensures the retention of nutrients in food and makes the food tastier. We can save time, fuel, salt, water, and oil, and most importantly, we save our family from diseases. Thank you. Thank you, AMC.
Hello, friends. So, I am using these AMC burtan that was given to me by Kalpana auntie. And I really want to thank my mother and Sneh ma'am who actually forced me to buy these. And my husband was totally against it, and he now loves these burtans because I am able to cook food, which I could never do. I had such a big fear. इतना डर लगता था ना मुझे खाना बनाने से. और अब लॉकडाउन की ये एक मैजिक हुआ है लॉकडाउन में कि मैं खाना बना रही हूँ और सिर्फ बना नहीं रही हूँ, बहुत अमेजिंग बना रही हूँ. आई नो मैं खुद तारीफ कर रही हूँ, बट आपको मेरे हस्बैंड से पूछना चाहिए मैं एक्चुअली अच्छा खाना बना रही हूँ. एंड AMC बर्तन अबून इन दिस.
Hi, this is Maya Avasekar. I've been using this AMC cookware last 8 to 9 years. This is primary set I'm using. This is T-Box, Primus and G-Tan. Believe me, I'm so satisfied customer of AMC cookware. Cooking in these AMC pots is such a fun. It's so convenient, you know. You can cook in very less oil, less water, and all nutrients are retained very nicely. Even it doesn't lose the color. It also doesn't shrink the size, and everything cooked in these pots is so tasty. And these are multi-purpose cooking pots. You can bake in this, you can steam in this, you can deep fry also. Everything can be done in this pot. So this is just a very fun, and you can cook it in very low gas, so it saves energy and time also. So this is the best friend for every housewife. So thank you, AMC.
Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Madhuri from Bangalore. Now speaking about AMC, it's one of the most amazing things I've come across in life. I've started using this product since 8 years, once my mom gifted it to me, and I have kept on adding these products more and more as I started exploring the many ways I could cook food in this. The food is so soft, so palatable, so tasty, so nutritious, and first and foremost thing I would like to say, it saves oil, it saves gas, it's less salt, less sugar is required to cook the food. It's all healthy. So healthy family means happy family, no doctor's visits, and you can enjoy your life being slim and trim. I've been so impressed with this that I've started recommending this product to my friends, and they've also bought this product. My husband loves cooking in AMC, and he himself has started cooking things when I'm not there at home. So I would definitely recommend you all to buy this product, and you will never regret your decision again in life. Thank you.
I recently bought AMC cookware, and I just wanted to talk a few words about this cookware. It saves fuel, that is gas. Second, time saver, and there is no water cooking and no oil cooking, which is the best for anyone in the house. It's healthier cooking, and I would like to also mention you the colors of the vegetables never change. It is without the water that I cook vegetables, and the colors of the vegetables are so nice. You eat little more than usual, but never feel heavy on your stomach. It is like that. See, we will save money to buy our jewelry, to buy saris. I think we should save money and buy AMC cookware because it's a lifetime investment and it is for the health and well-being of our family. Finally, I would like to conclude my video by telling one word about AMC cookware. It can be defined as a jewel of the kitchen. Thank you all.
Hi, I am Praveen Daga from Katha Chuna and wish to place on records my true testimony regarding AMC cookware. I not only consider AMC cookware as the best product for home cooking, I use the same for my professional cooking as well. Besides its cost-effective cooking, it has numerous health benefits, and if I try to explain those benefits, this video would become too long. Hence, it is advisable to get in touch with one of the AMC sales specialists and witness the benefits from your own eyes. Thank you. Happy cooking.
Hi there, I'm Pragna. I have been using AMC cookware for the past 1 year, and I should admit it has been an absolute revelation about how even cooking utensils can affect so many factors in our lives. Kudos to the brain behind the concept of AMC cookware. After using AMC cookware, me and my family cannot and will not eat any food cooked in anything but AMC cookware.